Imagine if the sun was 2 times bigger. This is Colossal Mind, and hear what it happens. Despite being about 93 million miles away from Earth that shapes life on Earth, any small change in its size will drastically change the world. If the sun was 2 times bigger, the luminosity will increase to such an extent that oceans will boil, plants will die, humans will be fried, polar ice caps will melt. Not only this much, the location of all planets would be changed due to increase in sun's gravity. We are lucky that our sun is the size it is and Earth is in a perfect zone where living conditions are optimal.